asked me for some editing help. So I'm going to show her what I would do with this image. First, I would crop it down so Mama's in the center. And then I like how the trees are surrounding her. That looks good. And honestly, with snow photos, I think maybe not using a preset is a good idea, because I mean, unblemished is fine because they're pretty simple edits. But like if you're gonna use, you know, Trisha Victoria's gold or something, I mean, that one looks pretty good. But other ones have like, or at least my presets have, you know, pink, blue, green tones. And with snow, you want to keep it as spot on and as white as possible. So I might use, see how the reds are different. Let's just not use a preset and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to increase the exposure so her face, well, I'm going to increase the exposure all over the image and increase the contrast. But I'm going to bring down the highlights, and you want to keep the whites as white as possible, but without blowing them out. And the blacks, I'm going to decrease the blacks so it pops more. This is what decreasing the blacks. Lighting the blacks and darkening the blacks. Okay, I like right there. Maybe the clarity. Okay, now I'm going to take it into Photoshop. So right click, edit in Adobe Photoshop. And hopefully it doesn't take forever. Alright. So what I like to do is I like to come in with the levels and play with them a little bit. So I'm going to move the highlight slider to the middle, and it just like makes it pop. See? But see how the background is like blown out? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Command, or I think Control I on the PC. Control is on the PC. And then I'm going to paint with a white brush over her. Alright. So she pops a little bit. So there's the before, there's the after on that. And maybe if I create another layer with, if you go to the adjustments and click one of these adjustments, it creates a layer for you. But if you bring back the blacks, I don't know why my computer keeps doing that. If you want her dress to pop more, I like that. But I want to keep her face more natural. So I'm going to click this on, and then I'm going to click the black, because I'm going to like hide what I just did on her face. And maybe her skin. Oh, little snowflake. Mara, thank you for letting me edit a snow picture, because I miss the snow right now. So This is probably what I would do. Natural. Kind of has blue tones in the background, or like magenta, but I kind of like that. And then I'm gonna go to my Totally Rad skin actions, because I love them. I like them more than portraiture, or however you say it. I can never say that right. I'm gonna paint it on. Okay. The snowflake was distracting, and you don't want to get rid of their freckles. And you know what? Maybe I should brighten up her face a little bit more. I'm going to decrease this because it looks too fake. And I'm going to come in and get rid of this snowflake because it looks like a piece of fuzz. Okay, and I think that looks good. Oh, let's see the before and after. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Here's the before. Here's the after. Okay, I hope you like it, Mara. If you have any questions, let me know.